How to fix Instagram account temporarily blocked on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to fix this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just go to the settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will find the applications, all the applications on your phone. You will go to Instagram. You will scroll down and go to storage, and you will go to the bottom of the screen and click clear that and click OK. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.